We are staying on top of high-profile cases of people getting arrested and charged with DUI in Kentucky, even though they were under the legal limit.
Former U of L basketball player Russ Smith is still being prosecuted for having a blood alcohol level at .065 for an incident in June. This Kentucky law says drivers can still be charged if there's an alcohol concentration of .04 or greater. And Smith isn't the only case. Police charged a U.S. postal worker with DUI, but records show she was sober with a 0.0 alcohol reading.
Her family says she spent her final years fighting to clear her name. WDRB Investigates reporters Valerie Chen and Jason Riley have been digging through court documents, hospital paperwork, and hours of body cam video. Now they're showing us what happened during that arrest.
She was a loving woman, a woman of faith, a woman of dignity.
This wreath is from Cuqita Boyd's funeral. She was a mail carrier, and her family says she died in May from complications from high blood pressure and the stress.
It was on her mind heavy.
Of what happened in January 2022.
I've only seen a couple of cases in 18 years of doing this where somebody was arrested for a DUI when they were completely sober.
And that's what happened to Boyd, seen here in her postal worker uniform.
Will you hop out of the car for me real quick?
Hop out of the car for what?
I'm gonna check you real quick.
You gotta check.
Make sure you're good to drive.
It was around 8:15 a.m. when she got in a minor traffic accident that day.
I feel like this is harassment. I'm very able to drive. I'm on my way to work. You're making me late.
Boyd gets out of the car as LMPD officer Samantha Davenport gives her a field sobriety test.
Oh, you want to check my eyes? I'm not under influence. I'm nothing but trying to make it to work.
Oh, you're gonna keep on counting in that manner. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004 until I tell you to stop. Do you understand?
I hear you. I got to hurry up. I got to get to work.
Go.
1001.
Nope. That's not what I told you to do. Turn around.
Kentucky plate, Adam George Edward,
Why am I getting locked up for?
Driving under the influence.
I am not under the influence.
The body camera video shows the officer taking Boyd to Metro Corrections.
Why are you booking me?
For DUI.
But I'm not under the influence. Like, I'm not under the influence. I swear to God on my kids, I'm not under the influence.
Submitted to an intoxilizer, blew zeros, and then demanded that her blood be taken. My client is the one who demanded her blood be taken.
And the officer then took her to the hospital.
You could do your job, but you should apologize for being wrong and doing your job. I flowed 0.000. There's nothing in my system.
Boyd had also complained of chest problems and needed her medicine. This Norton Healthcare record says Boyd was clinically sober, undetectable blood alcohol level.
Watching the body cam footage, only seen it one time, and it really put things in perspective. The thoughts I had, the way they treated my mom.
And what did she say last about this case?
She just wanted justice. She wanted justice. She's talked about it daily.
Boyd's family has a lawsuit against the officer and LMPD.
I am following your finger to the best of my ability. Thank you very much. And I'm not under nothing but trying to get to work.
Saying the DUI arrest caused Boyd physical, mental, and emotional distress and violated her Kentucky constitutional rights.
That's egregious misconduct. That's an officer who was so biased against someone for whatever reason that she continued to maliciously prosecute this person with the actual knowledge of her sobriety.
It took more than a year for the DUI charge to get dismissed in March of 2023. Boyd died about 2 years later.
What would you like to see happen? How do you want this resolved?
Well, one, I like for the police department to be held accountable for it. Another one, I want that police officer to apologize and the whole police department apologize to my daughter.
LMPD says Officer Davenport resigned in May of 2024. She had been with the department since 2018, and police say there's no record of an internal police investigation. LMPD released this statement saying LMPD has a long-standing position of not commenting on lawsuits while they are before the courts. This case is no exception. We could not reach Davenport for comment. For Boyd's family,
her reputation is tarnished.
They're continuing the fight to clear her name.
It just sucks that somebody by the book can get mistreated like that.
Valerie Chen, WDRB News.
Boyd isn't the only Louisville arrest with a 0.0 blood alcohol level. Jason Riley goes in depth with other cases where people are charged with DUI even though they are under the legal limit. You can read that story right now on our website, WDRB.com.